The Central West Young Entrepreneur Summit will go ahead in person next year on Thursday, the 17th of March, in conjunction with Small Business Month. Designed with small business in mind, attendees will hear from some of Australia's most successful entrepreneurs. Held at Parklands Resort Mudgee, the summit will include a full day of speakers, followed by a networking event in the evening and complimentary networking breakfast event the following day. Tickets and information at youngentrepreneurssummit.com.au. Local government elections will be held on Saturday the 4th of December from 8am to 6pm following their postponement earlier this year. Pre-poll voting opens on Monday the 22nd of November and will close on Friday the 3rd of December. Voting is compulsory. Visit the New South Wales Electoral Commission to check your enrolment and nearest polling location. Do you know a resident who has gone above and beyond for their community this year? Why not nominate them for a 2022 Australia Day Award? There are 6 categories to nominate someone who has made a difference. Nominations are open now on Council's website and close on Monday the 22nd of November. A total of 1,495 streetlights in Mudgee, Goulburn and surrounding villages have been upgraded to LED technology as part of a major project to improve energy efficiency. Installed by Essential Energy, the LEDs are more energy efficient, require less maintenance and have a significantly longer life. They will provide more reliable, better quality lighting service and deliver savings of more than 53% in energy consumption. Street lighting is a significant expense for Council, costing around $400,000 each year. The new additions will reduce Council's operating costs, with anticipated annual savings of approximately $140,000. Mudgee's new dog park is now open to the public following lockdown and continued rainfall over the last few months, which has hindered the public opening. The former Mudgee Dog Park on Pitts Lane is now permanently closed to make way for Stage 2 of the Glen Willow Sports Complex development. Investigations are currently underway into possible improvements to the Ralston off-leash area, as well as the new off-leash area in Candos. Works have commenced to replace the Goulburn River Bridge on Newland Road. A temporary single-lane bridge has been installed to allow vehicles to pass the site while the old bridge is demolished and the new bridge constructed. No oversized loads will be permitted on the temporary bridge, and a detour is in place via Goulburn, along Cope Road, Castlereagh Highway and the Golden Highway. Weather permitting, the new dual-lane bridge is expected to open in February next year and will accommodate all vehicles, including heavy loads, and be significantly wider than the existing bridge.